A former executive at Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has pleaded guilty to embezzling over $4 million from the social media giant. Barbara Furlow Smiles from Atlanta, who held the position of lead strategist, global head of employee resource groups and diversity engagement at Meta, admitted to the theft. According to reports, the theft occurred during her tenure from January 27th to September 2021. According to the U.S. Attorney for the Northern District of Georgia, Ryan K. Buchanan, Furlow Smiles abused her position of trust as a global diversity executive to defraud the company, betraying the mission she was supposed to uphold. Buchanan said that the defendant abused her position of trust as a global diversity executive for Facebook to defraud the company of millions of dollars. He added by saying that Barbara Furlow Smiles ignored the insidious consequences of undermining the importance of a DEI mission. The U.S. Attorney's Office revealed that Furlow Smiles used Meta's funds to finance a lavish lifestyle across California and Georgia. According to Buchanan, she exploited her Facebook expense account for personal gains, covering expenses such as hairstylists, babysitters, and even an $18,000 tuition fee for a preschool. Buchanan explained that Furlow Smiles devised a scheme to funnel the stolen funds. She linked her company credit cards to popular payment platforms like PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. Then, using these cards, she paid individuals for services that were never rendered. The recipient, described as friends, relatives, and associates, would then return a portion of the funds to Furlow Smiles as kickbacks. Investigators found that she created inflated invoices to justify the payments to these individuals who would then return a portion of the payment to her. Buchanan added that Furlow Smiles even involved relatives, friends, and other associates in her crimes, all to fund a lavish lifestyle through fraud rather than hard and honest work. Barbara Furlow Smiles is scheduled to be sentenced on March 19th of 2024. We will continue to follow this case and bring you updates as they unfold.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.